travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be.
Hey fams, welcome to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Shushana and I do lots of home decor, seasonal decorating, and the in-between. If that's what you are interested in watching, I do upload twice weekly, every Wednesdays and Fridays. I do have an open time slot for now, but I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe and definitely become a member of our family here and double tap that bell so you don't miss any of my content. So today is just going to be a quick decorating refresh. I am gonna kind of start decorating for summer, and summer I'm going to be doing a lot more neutral. Well, I technically do neutrals anyway, but I'm just not going to be doing a lot of colors in terms of my floral arrangements. I'm wanting to go more neutral, more earthy, more green. So you're going to get to see that today in my decor. I am going to just be putting together, it's almost like a little console table, if you will, in my dining room, just kind of replacing one for the other. It's a table that I've always had. It's thrifted and I love this piece, but I had it upstairs in my daughter's bedroom, and since I redid her bedroom, she no longer needs it. So I'm going to be putting that piece back into the dining room and kind of just decorating the top part of it and, you know, adding some wall decor and things. So definitely stay tuned from beginning to end. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also make sure you leave a comment down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So the spot right here, you guys, is what I'm going to be decorating. I'm going to be removing this table, actually selling it on Facebook Marketplace, and kind of just replacing it with another console table. And let me show it to you. So it's going to be this beautiful piece right here. I thrifted it, I think maybe 2 years ago, and I painted it last year, and I love the way that it looks with the white. It's just so regal to me. So I'm going to be replacing this table here with this and just seeing how it looks in this space. So let's do it.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time.
I think that that looks so good right there. I am just loving it. It's made for that spot. It's super perfect for that spot. So now let's go ahead and start decorating the top of this hutch. I think that that looks very, very nice there. I just went ahead and put a picture up above it, and I think that it looks so nice. It's more of a modern farmhouse vibe, and I'm okay with that. I'm actually trying to bring the modern farmhouse style back into my home because I really do. I love that style, you guys. I am all for modern farmhouse with a touch of vintage, you know, cottagey chic. So I think that looks really good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put a vase there with some tall stems. Let's see how that looks. So I've had this black vase for a while. Since last year, I want to say. I thrifted it, and it was I don't even remember the color that it was, but I went ahead and I spray painted it a black color, and I just love the contrast with the black and the white. Let's see how it contrasts together with that.
Summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
What do we think? I don't know. I love the black, but I don't know if the floral arrangements it's kind of hiding the green stem, and I don't know if I like that so much. Let's try something else. So I have this cloche with these faux artichokes. I'm gonna try to put that there and see if maybe that will give it some flair.
in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another.
I think that's working. I think that's working for me. I feel like I need to add something else though. I'm not really sure what it is, but I do feel like I need to add something else. Let me look around. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Something about it is not, I'm not feeling it. I don't know what is going on. I'm just not feeling it. So let me try something else. I think I like that. I like that vintage mirror. I love the height of it. I love the design at the top, and it elongates. It feels like the ceilings are a lot taller to me with this mirror. So let me now go ahead and put the vase back with the white florals and see how that looks.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer.
I'm liking it.
When you left it was cold.
I'm liking it.
Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you so long. I met you in the
There we go. I like it. It is simple. It is subtle. And I love it. I love the simplistic feel of it. It's not taking away from any of the other decor in the room, but it's just really, really nice and really simple. I love the way that turned out. Let me show you up close.
But as well, I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you so long. I met you in the somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you so long.
I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I know it was a short one, but it was sweet. And I hope that you got some type of decorating inspiration from this video today. Definitely stay tuned. I have tons more video that will be coming along. Some of them is going to be vlogs, some of them is going to be day in the life, some is going to be cleaning, and of course definitely some is going to be decorating. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video today. Remember that Jesus is Lord, He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.